I'm the fuel pump. If I stop working, fuel pressure drops fast, the engine starts sputtering. If I fail, the car shuts off suddenly. I'm the shock absorber. If I lose damping, the car starts bouncing. Tires lose road contact. If I fail, you lose control of stability. I'm the transmission line. If I leak fluid, lubrication drops fast. Gears start slipping. If I fail, the gearbox stops working. I'm the turbocharger. If my seal fails, oil enters the intake. The engine burns it fast. If it runs away, you lose control completely.
For more such content, subscribe to our channel.